In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate work with AI agents and AI workflows in Zapier. Let's dive in and unlock the power of seamless automation. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is a platform that allows you to automate your workflows by integrating various applications and services together. It acts as a bridge between different apps, enabling them to communicate and operate in harmony. Once you're at Zapier.com, the first step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account already, you can quickly sign up. It's a straightforward process that only requires your email address and a few clicks to get started. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier homepage. This is the central hub for all your automation needs. Here, you can create new workflows, which Zapier refers to as Zaps, or manage your existing ones. Once you're settled on the homepage, the next step is to click on the Zaps section. Zaps are essentially automated workflows that connect your apps and services. They consist of a trigger, the event that kicks off the workflow, and actions, the tasks that are carried out automatically. Once you're in the Zaps section, you should select or create a new Zap that you want to work with. This will take you to the Zap editor, where all the magic happens. In the Zap editor, you'll see an option to add steps. This is where you can enhance your automation by adding new actions or conditions to your workflow. Click on Add Steps, and in the search bar, type in AI. This will bring up options related to AI functionalities that Zapier offers. One of the options you'll see is AI by Zapier. Click on this to incorporate AI capabilities into your workflow. AI by Zapier enables you to leverage artificial intelligence for tasks like data processing, analysis, and more. It's a powerful tool to enhance your automation workflows by introducing intelligent decision-making and processing capabilities. By following these steps, you can set up workflows that not only connect your apps, but also intelligently process and react to information, saving you time and effort. This automation can be applied to a myriad of tasks, such as sorting emails, managing customer data, or coordinating team projects, all without the need for manual intervention. Experiment with different configurations and see how you can optimize your processes using Zapier's robust features. Take a moment to review and test your Zap, ensuring everything is working smoothly and to your liking. With a little practice, you'll master the art of automation and enhance your productivity exponentially. Happy automating!